How to move Epic Games game to another drive. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open your Epic Games launcher and go to your library. Then find the game that you want to move. In this case, it's Among Us. So you can just click on the three dots right here, and then from here, just go ahead and click on Manage. Now you're going to have an option to manage your Among Us. Now go to installation and click the little folder icon right besides uninstall. It will open up its location. Now what you're going to have to do is simply select all of these files and go back to Epic Games. Now you're going to have to copy the entire folder, right click on it and then click on copy. Once you copy the folder, go to the location or the drive that you want to move it to. Right click on that, create a new folder. Now you're going to have to rename it as Epic Games 2 or something like that. That is separable from the other one. Go inside the folder and paste the folder that you've just copied. Now you can just go ahead and rename this as something else as well so that it's easy to differentiate. So let's just add N1 right after this. Once that is done, from here you can just go ahead and go back to your launcher, tap on the three dots, and then click on uninstall. Now make sure that you uninstall the game. Then after uninstalling, the game's gonna think that your game is gone from your PC, but the files are still there, but just on another drive. Now we're gonna have to change the path. Click on the install button. Now from the install location, browse through the location that we just created. Select the Epic Games 2 folder, and then from there, click on install. Now once you start installing, just go ahead and cancel installation right away, and you'll have this resume button. If you don't have the resume button, then you probably did something wrong, so you're going to have to restart the whole process. Then just go back to your folder. The Among Us one is the one that we copied, so go inside that folder, select all of these files, and then cut the files or press Ctrl+X. Once you cut the files, go to the new folder that's created there, and then paste all of those files there. Now all you have to do is just go ahead and tap on the resume button there, and then you should be good to go. Once you resume your installation, it's gonna say verified because all of the files are already there, and you should be able to move your game to a different location. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.